Hello, welcome to Way Programming channel. Today I'm going to show you how to start a new project using HMGS IDE. First, we have to start the IDE. You come to C and then MiniGUI, and then under which there is one IDE, HMG IDE and IDE. IDE is actually for HMGS. Okay, double click and you will open up. You see HMGS IDE by Walter Formigoni. So to start a new project, we have to click the box here and then we give a name, put it in the folder. Let's call it Watch 1. Okay, and then open, and we have to type a file name. Let's go use the same Watch 1. Okay, now we have a new project called Watch 1, and to begin with that we have to start creating a new form. Okay, so I click the new form here, open up and give the same name, Watch 1. Okay, as you can see that this form is empty now, and in order to properly configure it, we need to do the main thing here is to change window type from standard double click to main. Okay, click main. So now if we look at the file that automatically created, here is the watch1.fmg file. Okay, so let's say now I want to change I want to put a label here. Okay, so we have to come to title. We type there project 1, and it's very important here that you must change the selection from save as variable into save as text, otherwise it would not run. Okay, so we change project 1 as the title and save it as a text. Okay, now we save the form, and now you see the codes for the form has changed. The title, they add a title and project 1 as the title, and this form is called main form. Okay, if we go, then in order for our program to run, there must be a PRG file, a module. So we create a new module, we name it as watch1.2. I see that there is a file created automatically naming the windows as main. Okay, but however we have changed the name from main to watch1, so we have to alter the main into watch1. Okay, here also we have to change, and here also we have to change. This is the name of the form, but the function main here we do not have to change it. It's still the main function. Okay, and here actually this sub is not needed. Okay, so I save, Ctrl S to save it. And some may want to use another compiler or C language. So here we can see that MiniGUI here has already configured our folders where MiniGUI, and then the BCC folder is from Bolen BCC 58. So if you look at the folder C here, there is one name, we call it Bolen. Okay, inside Bolen I have two BCC. There is BCC 55 for Bolen C++ 5.5 and BCC 58, which is for Bolen C++ 5.8. So there was a person who asked how to change from BCC 5.5 to BCC 5.8. So we just change here. It's very easy. If I want to use back the BCC 5.5, so I just change 5.8 to 5.5, and the IDE will use that BCC, the version that we choose, to compile our Harbour program. Okay, so you notice here that the compile options are MiniGUI, BCC 5.8, and using Harbour. If you want to use X Harbour, you can also choose, or HMG2, you can also choose the option here, but here you must change if the configuration is not the same. For HMG2, it is here, which is nothing. Okay, actually, if we choose here, I think it will appear. No. Okay, so we are using this one, MiniGUI with BCC 5.8. So here we can either use 5.5 or 5.8. It's just the label for BCC 5.8 here. It's also possible if we use 5.5. Okay, so in order to see whether this program is functional or not, we can add a label. Okay, so I add a label here, and we can change the appearance. The name is label 1, but the caption, we can change the value from label 1 to welcome friends. Okay, we save as text. Okay, if you find that this is too small, you can make it bigger, the font size. Let's say we change it to 26. Okay, so it has become very big, and the holder is no longer suitable, so we have to change the size by right click and then choose size, and we pull, so it becomes so big. And then we can move it by right click and then click move, then we pull up to the place we want it to be. If you find that this box is too big, you can also resize it again to make it more appropriate. Okay, now we try to compile, see whether it is running. You want to save the form? Yes. If there is no problem, the form will just pop up like this. Yes, so now it proves that it is running. Okay, so this video is purposely recorded to show our friends how to change from BCC 5.8 to BCC 5.5. Okay, hope you learn from this. See you. and thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and like and share it to your friends. Bye.